Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today we will be looking at 3 sneaky truths about millionaire mindsets. At this moment you may ask, how do millionaires think? How to think like a millionaire? Is millionaire mindset learnable? In fact, millionaire mindset can be learned, but not all in just one day. It takes time and effort to get there. By the end of watching this video, you are going to know 3 truths about the millionaire mindset that you may not know about, but will help you get closer to your goal of becoming a millionaire and even earn more someday. If you want to watch this kind of video related to millionaires, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you don't want to miss any information related to wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, the millionaires are not smarter than you. Whether you are a millionaire or not, you don't have to be smarter than your next door neighbor to be successful. You may discover that some people surrounding you trying to become millionaires by studying investing or economics, while others make it a point to read as much about business as possible. But that is not what makes people millionaires. Right now, you may ask, then what makes people millionaires? I'm about to show you what makes people millionaires in this video gradually. There are plenty of smart people who never go on to earn big bucks after they graduate from college or drop out. So what else matters? However, Warren Buffett likes to say, if you knew who was smart and who wasn't, there would be huge income disparities. At this moment, you may think, how come it sounds paradoxically? Statistics show that only 2% of American households have more than $1 million in investable assets, not including their primary residence. The rest either do not know how to manage money well or do not want to take risks. This shows that even though some people may seem smarter regarding finances, they still cannot beat the market over time. So, what does it mean exactly? It means stop worrying about being smarter than everyone else and focus on learning from them. To put it simply, never underestimate yourself. When you set your mind to anything, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Anything. You set your mind to make a difference. The world needs more individuals like you willing to step up and contribute the idea for social progress. There will always be other people who are more accomplished than us. When you find an amazing idea or someone gives you one, share it with others. You never know where that information will lead. Be sure to use all available resources, whether financial capital or social capital, because they will help bring your dreams closer to reality. It's easy to get caught up in our lives and problems and forget everything else. It's easy to forget that millions of individuals struggle with issues like ours every day. It's easy to think that our problems are unique and special while at the same time forgetting that others have gone through similar situations and come out victorious. Sometimes we need a reminder that there is hope, a reminder that everything happens for a reason, a reminder that tomorrow will be better than today, a reminder that we are not alone. And the best way to remind ourselves of this is to give back. Giving back doesn't mean giving away money, which many wealthy individuals tend to do. Instead, it means giving away something far more valuable: knowledge. By sharing our knowledge throughout our lives, we can impact society and help others improve their situation, even if the advice isn't directly applicable to them. They may learn something new from it that helps them along the way. Or maybe you inspire someone with your story and motivate them to pursue their dreams again after having given up due to hardship. Whatever the outcome, these little things add up over time and eventually change people's lives for the better. The world will be better if we live in harmony and do not allow our egos to control us. Remember, always be open-minded and humble. Keep learning. You will discover that the more you know, the more you don't know. If you think you are open-minded enough, then feel free to click the link down below at the end of this video to see a new way that can also help you make money online. Don't miss out. The second one is millionaires are not more motivated. While there's a definite narrative that people who become millionaires are naturally more motivated than others, research suggests otherwise. In one study, University of Michigan researchers followed MBA students and found that both rich and poor high achievers were just as likely to put in long hours and take on extra projects. Their response is to work harder than everyone else to try and prove that they deserve to be where they are. They are not smarter. Although many successful people claim you have to be smart to get ahead, the research suggests otherwise. According to Stanford psychologist Carol Dweck, when we believe our intelligence can change with effort, our growth mindset, we feel free to tackle challenge without fear of failure or embarrassment. This makes us more willing to learn new skills and explore uncharted territory, ultimately making us better problem solvers and innovators. By contrast, people with fixed mindset believe that intelligence is inborn and cannot change. So if you fail at something, it's because you don't have what it takes. And because these folks don't see failure as an opportunity to learn from mistakes, but rather a reflection of their inherent abilities, they are less inclined to push themselves towards success. Although many of us may imagine millionaires as superheroes, they are not. They are ordinary people who have worked hard to achieve their dreams and live out their passions. Sure, they may have a few more resources than the average person, but at the end of the day, they still struggle with issues we all live with. For example, although many successful business people are financially stable and independent from society, most still have bills to pay. Likewise, it's easy for celebrities to fall prey to substance abuse problems or personal demons, even despite their seemingly perfect lives. If you spend time studying millionaires or even billionaires, you will quickly notice that most of them have problems just like everyone else. The final one is the chances of getting rich were much higher. Here's why, and what makes people millionaires. Not because of money alone, but because of mindset. According to research by authors of The Millionaire Next Door, Dr. Thomas Stanley and Dr. William Danko, a person's mindset also plays a major role in whether they will become rich. They found that most rich Americans shared some common beliefs and behaviors, including living below their means. People with millionaire mindsets often live frugally so they can save money. You may ask the question, why saving money is important? Because the more you can save, the more you can invest, which helps closer to your target of being a millionaire and even earning more. Stanley and Danko found that living below your means is perhaps the most important habit among millionaires. Saving regularly. The second biggest factor in determining whether someone becomes a millionaire is saving consistently. They note that spending is the only reason people fail to become financially independent. Keeping that low. Having little or no debt helps keep millionaires' assets safe and their cash flow positive. Many self-made millionaires choose not to buy luxury cars or take expensive vacations. Instead, working hard. Self-made millionaires understand that nothing comes easy and work hard to strive for their goals. Here's a saying mentioned: if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. If you do what is hard, your life will be easy. That's why they work hard. Also, developing multiple streams of income. Most self-made millionaires develop multiple sources of income rather than relying on just one job for all their earnings. Investing wisely. To build wealth, millionaires invest in the stock market, real estate, and other vehicles. Of course, millionaires' habits won't help you become rich overnight, but you can get from $0 to $1 million through hard work and perseverance. But understanding how millionaires think can give you valuable insight into your finances and ultimately help you achieve your goals faster than you might have. Now you are armed with 3 sneaky truths about millionaire mindsets. That's near to the end of this video. Note how your beliefs about money have shaped your attitudes and behaviors. We often operate on autopilot and make decisions based on shallow thinking. It's time to think deeply about what you value in life and where your true passion lies. And this marks the end of our video. Again, if you think you're open-minded enough, then feel free to click the link down below now to see a new way that can also help you make money online. Don't miss out. Hope you're enjoying it, and we'll see you in the next video.